Uh, Good evening, everyone. So we are on the session. We have started the session. Nobody has joined yet, but I am also prepared because this is our second day, and I am also prepared mentally that no one will show up because it's actually very common in Bangladesh. I have seen through, and even I have gone through some experience. I joined or I enrolled in some of a session or some of a workshop, and I couldn't join on time because maybe I was busy on some work, or actually I was sitting lazy and scrolling Facebook, and I couldn't. I don't wanted to join that session, but that's okay. But the challenge is my this is my personal challenge is to continue video session for 1 hour, totally in English, for continuously maybe 100 days. I want to continue as far as I can go. Even nobody shows up, it's completely fine. I will talk about my own life, what is going on, what is my thought process, what currently I'm doing, what currently which book I'm reading right now. I think you can see this book. I will talk about it later also. Uh, oh, actually someone has knocked and joined. Jubair bhai, how are you? Am I audible?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine.
Uh, uh,
What about you?
I'm fine. I'm fine. I was actually talking about in my camera with me. I was talking that nobody will show up. I am completely ready for it. But even if nobody join, I will talk about my life, what book I'm reading right now, their stuff. But actually surprised. I thought that you will join, but I thought you will not join because I think I have today has a game, FIFA game, right?
Yes,
Right?
yes. Today has a football match, Brazil versus Japan, but
Oh.
it will start on 11 p.m.
Oh, okay, okay.
So,
I actually don't follow sports as much. I don't understand that, and I haven't played any games since the childhood. Where I because I was not really good at anything like cricket, football. Even if I go to play, eventually I will get hurt and my bone will be cracked. So I am scared. So that's why I try to avoid this kind of sports, and it never actually interested me anyway. What about you? Which team are you supporting in this FIFA?
yeah, I am so much excited uh, because fi- you know FIFA is the greatest art on the show.
Yeah.
It's the biggest event, and I'm actually not only support one team. Hardly support one team. I
Okay.
support more 4 or 5 teams.
Four or
There are
five
some
teams.
reasons. Yes. Suppose I support Brazil. If Brazil gone, then what will do? Then what will I do? I need to support another team,
Okay, okay,
right?
okay, okay.
Without support team, I cannot. It's not. Uh, uh, it will not be excited to when watching the match. When I support the team,
Yeah.
it's really make me happy when they win or they goal
Okay.
against another team.
Actually, that's a clever move. You are actually playing cleverly. You are supporting five teams at a row. That's a clever move. Yeah.
Not exactly 5 teams. This is the example. I'm support Brazil. I also support Morocco.
Okay.
This year I supported Turkey, but he's eliminated from
Okay.
the group stage.
But
And
we.
I
But
also support the France.
okay.
This like this. The real reason is most of the time we nowadays I did not see any Premier League. Previous I watched every Premier League, especially EPL, English Premier League,
Mm-hmm.
and in English Premier League there are lots of players who uh, who's actually I like.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, there is a and Spanish league, Real Madrid I support.
Mm-hmm.
In EPL,
Mm-hmm.
I like United. uh, One is United City and Manchester United,
Manchester
and
United.
also I like Liverpool. Like this, when actually there's lots of players. play in a uh, different league or different team.
Hmm.
That's why I chose more than one team.
Okay. So
And I don't want to argue with another people for Brazil versus Argentina. It's really boring and
yeah,
it's
yeah, it's
bad.
actually doesn't make any sense to
Yes.
support. We are supporting other country, and they probably don't know us. They know us, but it doesn't matter who wins actually, right? But
Yes.
there is a sense of victory. Like I support Argentina or Brazil, and then this team win, and I feel supported. Yes, I have win also. But this a time of celebration. I think it is actually a celebration, right? Bangladesh cannot. I think Bangladesh cannot join the FIFA in within 10 or 20 years. Maybe can, but I don't have. I don't think they can. But still, we are supporting Brazil, Argentina, and it's actually soothing of our mind that someone actually winning the FIFA or playing good that we support. But which is the main team you support? Brazil. I think it's Brazil, right?
Yes. I support Brazil.
Okay.
Uh,
I thought you are a seasonal supporter. First, I thought you said that you supported five team. So that was I thought you are a seasonal supporter like me. I don't watch any football or anything, but when it
uh,
FIFA comes, I support Brazil because my whole family is Brazil family. Okay, so if I say something against them, then it will be war in my family. Yeah, but
you're right. And my observation is those are seasonal supporter. Most of the time they are argue with another
yeah.
unnecessary argument. And in my observation, they don't understand the football.
Yeah. So,
That's why they are
Jubair bhai,
unnecessary
you
argument.
said that you watched the league games earlier, right? I think you said that you are busy right now, but I don't have any idea. My friend Sadaf, they used to watch Premier League and everything. Can you please explain? As I don't have any idea about football, this kind of league game. Can you please explain what kind of league are there, or is there any multiple league game? And if
Yeah,
yeah.
it's there is multiple league game, and suppose in Spain there's league called Spanish league,
Okay.
Spanish league.
That's
When it's
that's
when
that's
England,
that is only within the Spain. That is only
yes,
between the Spain team of within the Spain, right?
yeah, it's actually in league.
Okay.
League, two types of match in league. One is an nation or only that's country league.
Okay.
This is Spanish league
Mm-hmm.
or French league, English Premier League.
Mm-hmm.
This only French. Those one French league. Only French club will be play the French league or
Oh, okay.
Spanish club will
Okay.
be play Spanish league. And there is a like a FIFA World Cup where all countries participate the FIFA.
Yeah.
In Premier League, that's called UCL,
UCL.
UEFA Champions League,
You-
where all countries club will qualify and then participate that UCL.
Okay. 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 So
That's on the
okay.
that's on
Uh,
huge popular. And when the, when we see the when we watch the UCL,
mhm.
in UCL at a time one, two or three games uh, play or continue.
Okay.
We play run or we watch multiple games like one running on my laptop, and another game is running on my friend's laptop,
Okay.
because
Okay.
UCL is really excited and who's too much popular.
Okay, okay, UCL. So when you were talking about UCL or club game, so in about the club actually the club can be consist of a different player of different countries, right? So
Yes.
even from Bangladesh, one can join Argentina or Spain club, and he can play for that club, right?
Yeah. You know that Hamza Choudhury, he's
Yeah,
played on English Premier League.
yeah, yeah.
And I don't know. So many times I did not connect with the this football league or football league. Previous he played on Leicester City.
Leicester City. Okay. Oh.
Uh,
Okay, there's actually a bit of knowledge for me. I didn't have any idea about the Premier League. Now I have it. So if my sister ever asks me anything, I will be able to talk it about. It's a bit of a sense of knowledge. Okay, okay, supervise. So let's start. And I think no one will join either. So what are you doing right now? Which are you working on a project or making any CB update? What are you doing? What kind of preparation are you going through?
No, I am actually actively doing a problem solving.
Okay.
In lead code or DSA or algorithm problem, there are lots of templating or pattern. I am
Mm-hmm.
trying to follow the or comfort with that pattern,
Mm-hmm.
and after when I comfort with this every pattern, in DSA or if I say lead code problem,
Mm-hmm.
all lead code problem is not a unique problem. There is a categorized or group wise problem.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I am trying to uh, comfort with that problem. uh, then I have to plan to move my projects and update CV. And I have a idea for making a project like trying to solve this problem, this English speaking problem. Uh, the idea is when random people can make call and speak in English.
হ্যাঁ হ্যালো হ্যাঁ স্যার আদাব হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হয়েছে স্যার ও আচ্ছা 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 ধন্যবাদ স্যার সময় দেওয়ার জন্য আচ্ছা আচ্ছা না না এটা বুঝতে পারছি না ওইটা তো অবশ্যই এটা বাবার বলবো কালকে না না এটা তো স্বাভাবিক আমি তো অনেকক্ষণ ধরে কথা বলছি হ্যাঁ আচ্ছা আচ্ছা স্যার কালকে তাহলে আসি আইসা পরে আইডি টাইডি এগুলো নিয়ে যাই বাবা থাকবে সমস্যা নেই। ঠিক আছে স্যার ধন্যবাদ স্যার ধন্যবাদ সময় দেওয়ার জন্য ধন্যবাদ স্যার হ্যাঁ আসি কালকে আদাব আদাব Yeah, sorry, I was it was an important call. It was from a vet officer, and we were working on my family business, and that's why I have to call take it. Are you am I audible?
It's okay. Yes, yeah, you are audible, and
Yeah.
it's okay. No problem.
Yeah, yeah. So it's actually kind of a podcast where I thought that I tried to design this whole session like an conversation. Okay, so within even you can have a call, we can talk about anything like that. Okay, so that's why we are talking. I found that you are developer and you was the football league. There's everything, and even I am talking about random stuff right now. Okay, so it's not like an YouTube video that is totally structured or well written scripted, so it everything is okay to find here. So that's how I wanted to so let's continue. What kind of patterns are you learning right now, or what did you
Okay,
learn class?
I'm learning the two pointer, then sliding window,
Yeah.
and the, the some stack problem,
Mm-hmm.
or uh, and I learned uh, mm, what can I call? I okay. I need to see what is that called.
Yeah, go on.
Intervals problem. Intervals.
Interpret
Like
problems, okay.
I forget that name. Sorry.
No, no, no. Actually, I was preparing for those. I just finished all the data structure and algorithm because I already told you, right? I'm not from CSC background, and they are actually totally new things, right? All me. So I had already made some slide. I read it and maybe 20 days ago I had an interview on exabyting. There was a senior developer from Chuet, so he conducted an interview and I just learned those, and it was a good interview. He thought that he asked all the things like from the array and the stack and other things. It was a good interview, and I was preparing for those. So what are you learning right now, the problem solving? I should have started those, but then it was an actually I got stuck because I thought that even though I learn those and 6 them, even though I will get a 30,000 40,000 taka job, and it will take me more than 2 or 3 months or 4 months to get there. So is it actually worth it? Because I have to study for my exam for my Kuwait. There is some things I need to clear out, and my family want to do the family manage the family business. So actually, I am actually very much confused. I should continue on the software field or not. Let's see.
Yeah, in a DSA, most of the algorithm. DSA is not pretty much hard, and a normal DSA and algorithm is easy. But there is some problem, and there's a core concept of algorithm.
Yeah.
DSA data structure is the concept is how to use it and solve the algorithm.
It's
When you
actually
solve the algorithm, you need the data
it's actually
structure.
memory management, how the we are
Yes,
storing the
yes,
variable
it is
and the
the
data. That's it.
yes, it is the concept of how do you maintain the data.
Okay.
That's it.
So
And
Jubar bhai, you are a CSE graduate, right? You are from United International University. Am I correct?
yes, yes, you're correct.
So didn't you learn all those stuff or any practice any problem solving or this kind of competitive programming or this kind of stuff in your university life?
No, that's my mistake. I did not join any lab or participate any competitive programming. I learned about the basic DSA.
Okay.
That's it.
Who,
I
who,
need to
who,
again practice the DSA, and the main problem is try. I too many times I tried it to solve the problem.
Mhm.
I stack, then I leave it, then again start. The problem is I cannot keep my consistency. But I see if you want to do the better organization or
Mhm.
Bangladesh top software company, DSA is must.
Yeah.
Actually, some problem. If you do you know about VivaSoft?
Yeah. VivaSoft.
VivaSoft, and they are and so many company. They their requirements is 500 or 700 or 1000 lead code solve problem solve like this.
Yeah. Yeah. So I actually, that's correct. I have also gone through some companies, and most of the good companies, they reject your CV instantly if they doesn't see any problem solving in your CV. So they actually must their requirement of the CV selection is that you have must have an certain point of problem solving score on your CV. If you're not, then they get auto rejected. Even I applied for NOCs a few months back, and it was rejected. Although I have all the experience, but they were actually looking for freshers who are graduating right now. And I already knew some stuff. I already worked for 9 months, and I was working on my DSA and everything, but I didn't have any problem solving score. So from the selection from the first round, the CV was rejected, and they didn't call me back. So yeah, so you must
Yeah,
have an.
you're right. It's actually their requirements is if you have code force or coding art or hacker rank, uh, this type of problem solving website you need to solve. Or if you have a better CP profile, you
Mhm.
will get advantage.
Okay. So Jubair bhai, it's actually personal. You can pass it, but don't you think or regret that you didn't do the enough problem solving or DSA in university life? What actually you are doing in university life? You are a CSC graduate, right? You should have done that, and you already had to. Because I know some Habibul. I think Habibul Bashar bhai. You told that he teach Go, like Go with
He is Habib, not he's Habibur Rahman. Habibur
Habib
Rahman.
bhai. I think the
Habib,
Habib
yes,
Habib
he's
Habib.
excellent teacher,
Yeah,
and he
he.
is teach.
Yeah,
He's make Docker video.
yeah.
I see the Docker video. I know the Docker, but I don't know how inside the Docker or deep dive the Docker. I see the Docker his videos and learn from the everything or the every internal system how it's work.
Yeah, yeah. So he is also from the your university. Am I correct? Yeah, I think it was.
No. He's not our university. He's from IUT. Some it's maybe in IUT. It's
IoT.
IUT Information University of Technology. This state.
Oh, I thought UI. Okay. I think I made a mistake, but think I saw he's from a private university and UIU. Okay.
He's from private university. It's right.
Yeah.
It's okay. He's from private university, but it's IUT.
Okay.
Okay. In my university life, we did not work or we did not invest our time. We just watch English Premier League, UCL like this. At night, we see the match. In the morning, we go to the university.
That's
Then
it, nah?
that's it.
So, and right now you are busy with your life. You, I please don't take it. Just I am not judging you or anything because I am also from career break, right? So we are the same situation. But right now you don't have any job, and you are still learning those stuff that you should have done in your university, and what you used to saw this English Premier League and everything game, whatever in your Premier League that you did in your university life, and now you have many free time because you don't have job, you don't have study. Still, you don't watch, cannot watch the movies, series, or any watch Premier League or anything. So isn't it actually a depressing or is actually a sad thing that yes, others who will be watching this video and who are actually in your who are actually in their university life, they should not put or their time wasted, or they should not waste their time on this kind of stuff because the market of CSC graduate is actually very competitive and anything. So what do you think?
Yeah, I waste most of the time in university. That's the main problem, and that's why. And this time I try to practice in Muslim, and that's why I did not watch a movie or series like this.
Mhm.
And the sports like is also time consuming, and I did not get now enough time. And I tried to back up my university in it's now,
This gap.
but it's not. It is
Yeah.
not possible to uh, give back up that. But I try. I want to try to uh, solve or problem solver because I want to be engineer, not a developer.
Yeah, yeah.
There is a lot of
Yes.
difference between developer
And
and engineer.
yeah, yeah, that's correct,
Yeah.
that's correct. And we hope, we actually, I personally believe that you will go because I think you are dedicated because I when I asked what you are learning right now, you said what the stuff and what problem solving are you doing right now. So you have gone through a phase where you are enjoying your life in university life, and actually you are wasting time, but right now you are serious. And even though it is late, you are starting late, but it yeah, starting is some late, but it doesn't count. But eventually you will pay up, it will pay up. So I actually believe and I hope so, I pray for you, and you will get a good job soon, don't worry.
Yeah. Oh, I have a question. About you.
Yeah,
I see you have a YouTube video, YouTube channel,
yeah.
and there's some video also, and say you learned about AWS
Hmm.
or anything. Are you continue this or making tech videos or study uh,
No. Actually, everything I try to automate stuff as much as I can. So what you saw on the videos, like there will be like how the AWS account creation and everything. These were actually for the our clients, my our previous or for my previous company like Spartech. I told you that. So when I joined the team in the Spartech, I was working in an AI team. So none of them can do the AWS setup or anything their code. So we are just starting out, and I just got that. I already told you I have some DevOps knowledge. So but whenever new client came, we had to ask him to give user ID password, AIM user ID password, and they couldn't understand. So eventually we had to arrange a meeting. The client has to share the whole screen and we will guide them. Even the developers, they made a mistake, and it will be every time there should be there is a problem and there is a disaster. So I thought that why can what can I do? I can record it whole session, what to get, what to get and what to do, and send it to the user, send it to our client, and ask him just to follow this video and give us the credential and everything. So that's how there will be 2 or 3 videos like for domain name and DNS setting and everything, and one for AWS IAM user, this kind of video. So when my backend stage come into my company, my team, I used to send this video link to my client and told them follow this video, and I need this, and send us the CSV file and everything to me and everything. So I don't have to show him anything like that, and my other teammate also follow this video. So that's how it is. I never wanted to any recorded any video for
Okay, I got
others.
it. Do you have any experience in AWS, or do you work with AWS?
Yeah, I all my apps, everything were deployed in AWS. So
Wow, you're posh.
no,
You have a posh client.
no, yeah, but actually, yeah, is actually if you cannot manage totally in the AWS, the cost of the AWS is can be very high because
Yes, very high. I also used AWS. Basically, most of the student cannot use AWS because of credit card or debit card.
yeah,
I have a debit card, and uh, it's already endorsed, dollar endorsed.
yeah,
I used the free 200. AWS gives the 200 free credit. Yeah, I used it, and I tried to experiment in the AWS, and uh, the most credit consuming is RDS.
yeah.
It's really too much,
Yeah,
too much
actually,
consume.
if you the problem, I can understand the what is the problem, but there is a solution. When you are manually creating the RDS, is for the viewer, RDS mean relational database. Okay, so in the AWS there is a AWS Aurora. Okay, Aurora is for the RDS or PostgreSQL service. So when you create this RDS manually in the AWS, it create a cluster of database. Okay, so there is a backup database like 4 database all connected, and they create a cluster. That's why the cost is high rocket. But if you go through the infrastructure as code, I don't know you have any industrial as Ansible, Terraform, this kind of
Yeah.
infrastructure as code. I use infrastructure as code for my for whole setup. I don't have to
Hold on.
go to
Do you use
AWS.
Pulumi or Terraform?
No, I use Terraform.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah, I
Terraform.
also use Terraform.
Yeah.
Uh, it's just an experiment,
Okay.
because uh, I did not the opportunity the cloud or DevOps, but
Okay.
in my way, or I am trying to learn the DevOps or cloud
Yeah.
thing. I have a lots of interest about DevOps, cloud, and backend engineering. That's why I mentioned that I'm backend is backend focused,
Okay. Yeah.
because
Hey, you should
previous I have a bad experience.
I think the front end is already busted. Okay, so front end is gone.
I have a bad experience. Some most of the HR is non-technical.
Yeah.
If I show them the API, or this like they did not understand. That's why I need to minimal UI
Yeah,
or front end.
yeah.
But
We
I know how the front end work.
if
Most of
if you are already backend developer, then front end is nothing. Okay, bro, that's true. Okay,
the
so for every
there's only state management, error handling, and API integration.
yeah, yeah.
That's it.
The front end is nothing. Front end, even if you have if you work for 2 or 3 project and you know everything, then AI can do the front end just in a sense. Okay, but in the backend you have to minimum knowledge of the everything, because if AI just give some spaghetti code and mess up everything, then the backend is gone. But front end is manageable. Front end is nothing, but yes, the actually the most opportunity are in backend. And I also in my WhatsApp, you are already in my WhatsApp channel for the job tech job, right? So in that I also had a survey what people are actually preparing for, and most of the people are actually preparing for the backend most. So I and the list are for the front end. So people are not actually preparing for front end role anything. And I think the people I see front end developer actually asking, they are doing the programming hero course for the first step, and they don't have any backend enough backend knowledge or strong knowledge, so they are seeking for front end role. But most of them, most of the developers are right now are shifting towards backend development, not or not
But most of the companies are searching for
full stack. Yeah,
full stack, full stack.
no, yeah, they search for full stack, yes, because but there is an insight, Jubair bhai. So there is an insight that people, the company that are searching for full stack, actually not so good company. So they are actually lower tier of company. They are searching for full stack because they know with the help of AI we can build now anything. So they want to give you a minimum pay, but they want to they want to use you for highest amount of work they can get. So that's why they are asking for full stack, so they can get the front end and back end both using the AI. But their project are actually very minimal or small kind of project. But if you go to big company like Enosis, Vivasoft, Olio, and other big names, they are still they want specialist for the front end, back end, DevOps, and other stuff. But the smaller companies actually betting on the full stack because their own benefit, I think. Okay. Uh,
Yeah. To last day
yeah.
or
Okay, Jubair.
last day, there was another member or another person,
Yeah.
Shakhat, Mr. Shakhat.
Yeah. Yeah.
He did not join today.
It's actually normal. I didn't expect you will join. Okay, so I thought I will be joining. Even I can show you. For all I have already 12 people have registered for this session, but only you and Shakawat joined earlier, and for in the second day you only joined, and there are registered 12 people for the whole session, but no one shows up.
Okay.
There's actually the truth of Bangladesh, because most people will show interest, but less will show up. For less people will show consistency. That's actually normal. I was already prepared for this. Nothing wrong.
Yeah. Actually, I am looking someone who want to speak with me, and finally I got it, and never missed it. Okay. I will never miss it.
You seems
That's why I
you seems very serious about speaking English.
yes, because you can English is destroy my university life also.
Yeah.
I for English no, I did not get a good mark for in presentation
Oh.
only for English.
Oh, okay. Okay.
But I am like I am working on lab and I'm getting good in lab. My lab result is okay, but when in theory and some most of the lecturers they want to go to the front and speak some any topics.
Mm-hmm.
That's why uh, I did not get good mark from. presentation or any this type of speaking uh,
So,
marks.
so as you mentioned the your university life, tell me more about your university life. How was it? Uh, I don't actually have many friends with a private university because I actually on the public and uh, we are very close to another thing. So in private university like UIU or anything, what you do actually? You stayed in a rented house, right? So what did you do and uh, what did you do? Tell me more about your university life.
Yeah, it's like an normal school and college where we study in school and college. Yeah, we stay our house when time to class. We go to the class. Then we did or we are doing classes. After finish class, then we have a or canteen or library or lab anything if you want to and nowadays there have also common room. You can also watch TV or taking nap at
Okay,
this time. And we from our have uh, our so many things I forget. Open credit.
open credit.
Our university have open credit. We can choose a course who, which day when we take this class. It was our control.
Okay,
So we take our classes, our course in our advantage, then go to university doing classes. It's my and came back and sleeping, watching, hanging with friends like this. Most of the time, we'll do this. And in our university, there is a big field. Yeah. So I talk about some students. They only admitted that university for playing. Just
okay, okay, okay,
I was really surprised. Just playing football, or there's a lots of big marks. One is cricket and another is football. Both is attached. But some students told me that he is only admitted that university for sports.
okay. That's a crazy. I don't think anyone. Uh, I there's a actually a different insight. I didn't thought or imagine anyone would join an university just for sports, especially for in a private university like yours. So what was the actually the cost of your university, the whole point or whole semester?
Oh, the cost was our university's per credit was 5,500 tak.
5,000. That's a huge. That's actually huge for for a
Yeah,
public
and
university like me. That's a huge.
yes, and the total credits our in CSC department was 137.
Okay.
Total 137 credit.
Okay, that's a huge problem. So, you did you join any club or anything or activities? Did you participate at any club?
No, I did not join any club. It was that was my first wrong decision. I see the most of the club did not do anything, but it was my wrong decision.
That is actually a wrong decision. Actually, clubbing is mandatory. I think you regret for this decision.
Yes, I actually regret for this.
Okay, so that's actually a boring stuff because I used to do everything besides study. I didn't study at all in my university because the subject I got that I didn't had any interest in it. So all I was doing was clubbing, involved in politics, hall management, the all kind of stuff. And I used to do business competition and I in my me and my friends of other department and
Yeah,
there is always I involved in fight of with other department in hall yeah, to get the seat or anything. So I was always in trouble. The whole university life was full of troubles for me. uh, when I reached third year, maybe third year, then my father had an accident, and then I got actually stuck, and I was actually very stuck. Then I got an hit. What I will do because my CGPA is low. I didn't had any good skill that I can join. Then I started to learn what should I do. Then I in the fourth year I started learning programming. So I my thesis was in machine learning. I learned in 1 year. I had learned everything. When there was in the 5th March, when there was the protest was going on, the July protest, and the internet was gone, and I was stuck in my home. Then I learned Django all by my own. I didn't enroll in any course or anything. So then I applied for other jobs but I was not getting any job. So I thought I will make an project, end-to-end project. So I learned front end in React through using the YouTube, Django for backend, and I using the ChatGPT I learned CI/CD, AWS deployment and everything, and I built a full project. Then I got my first project. So that was actually my life. It was actually helpful, but it's worth it. I if I go back, I can see I had many experience in my university life. Okay, I was actually I am talking much because I want to continue this meeting along because we are only there is 20 minutes left. 20 minutes left, but you don't have to. Maybe you are bored, but 20 minutes left. Don't have to worry.
No, no, I am not bored. And now I think, now in my mind, I think if I go to university, I will join a computer club, and I don't miss any competition or any hackathon. Nothing will be miss. But that time I did not understand this.
But
That's why.
the time has gone, brother.
Yes,
So
the
there
time has gone.
you cannot put that back or you cannot go back. Even if I could go back, I would make decisions in my university life, like my study and everything will it would be different, and make I would choose friend more carefully because many people were very toxic and they just used me for some stuff, and they were not good people, and for those I had some very bad experience. I will try to avoid as much people as I can, and I will focus on my study if I could back to my university life again. Okay, yeah, it's a waste of time. We cannot go back, right? So
Yeah.
Jubair bhai, what else are you doing right now? So you are staying on Dhaka. Where are you right now?
Oh, I am right now. I am in my hometown, Pabna.
Oh, Papna. Yeah, my roommate, and my our CR of the department was from Papna. His name was Talha. So Papna, where? Can you share it or publicly, or it is a problem?
No, there is no problem. It is Pabna Shathia Thana, and our uh, union is Kashinatpur.
Okay, okay. So
If you want to go to Pabna, you will be go on our union or our village
okay, okay,
like this
okay,
or our area.
okay,
You can, otherwise you cannot go Pabna.
okay, okay. So
You can go, but you need to go turn around. It's too long
okay.
around
So it's
turn
just
you turn.
so your place is for in the midway. You have to go through it. You have if you
Yeah, it
want
is
to
the
pass it.
road for going to Pabna, Pabna
Oh,
Shahar or
oh,
Pabna city.
Patna city also. Okay, okay, okay. I understand. Understand. So Rupur actually is near to Patna. I don't have any idea. So
Yeah, Rupur is near to Pabna, but from my house, Pabna is 45 kilometers.
45.
From my house to Pabna city.
Okay.
From
So
Pabna city to Rupur, maybe 30 or 25 to 30 kilometers.
okay, okay. So it's not a very distance, or there's a near actually. We can say.
Yeah, it's not very distance. We can go within 2 hours. If it was on Dhaka,
Mm-hmm.
that's you need to whole day.
Okay. So, why in your last company it was in Dhaka, right? The last company you worked on,
Yeah, the last two company name was Solution Hub Technology. It was in Mohammadpur,
Muhammadpur.
and most of they really work on IoT based and as well as software, but the software mainly used their purpose, not the client. It's rare to
Oh,
for client,
so they use
and the,
they make IoT devices.
Yes, they have vending machine,
Oh,
or
okay, okay,
they
okay.
work on a smart light switch, AC, and how to automation these things, and so many things. They have
Oh,
claw machines. Uh,
okay, okay. So, how? I don't have any idea about this kind of company. What are it? So, the company you worked on is actually is your what you see the company was getting more client, or what was the situation? The company was doing good. Is there any
yeah,
is
the company, yeah, the company was good, and there is no problem, and uh, they mainly, I told you, it's not core software development. Their main focus is IoT device, like manual or automation like smart switch,
mm-hmm.
smart the Google Home,
Mm-hmm.
Google Home. It's Google Home.
Oh, sir. Yeah, Google
Yeah,
Home
yeah.
integrated. AI is integrated
Yes,
for the
yes,
home
AI
for the home.
integrated. So if someone call me, hey Google, turn on the light,
Yeah,
turn on AC, like this, they integrate this,
yeah.
and they also there. I told you they have vending machine,
Mm.
and they give solution BMS, building management system, which use um, it's connect with uh, electricity,
Mm.
then motors, and so many things are connected, managed by automation software, using software.
So they had many clients. What is I am not saying that the situation of the I am not saying that what was the behavior of the company. I want to know about, is there any enough client, or the financially the company was doing good. What do you say? Because I
Yeah,
think
I see they have enough client, and the big, and they're good client. They work on why Bangladesh, why
oh Huawei,
they,
that's a huge
yes,
client.
why,
That's a huge
and
client.
they have some posh client.
Yeah.
They spend so much money. Uh,
But
um,
I what I saw that whatever I think in when I went to Dhaka, I saw that you can bring up any idea and there is a client. There is a someone post client, they want to pay for that idea. But if you just come, if you just pass from Dhaka and come to dear, because Mymensingh after Mymensingh is situated after the Gazipur, right? And you just
yes,
have to pass the Gazipur then the Dhaka. But still the Mymensingh is so backward, there is no company that provide software solution. There is no software company in Mymensingh or other companies. There is no client for any of these ideas. And I get so I it's actually I wonder why is something like that. What's the scenario is like this? Because everything is situated in Dhaka. If
I
every
see,
any big
okay.
company comes to Dhaka.
Actually, on that company I see they have some dedicated client, like Huawei Bangladesh. Then ranks. Do you know about ranks?
Yeah, yeah, ranks.
Ranks, they have a lot of service. Ranks development,
Yeah,
ranks, then automation. They're big company
yeah,
or group of companies.
yeah, yeah.
Okay, they're good relation or good connect networking with that type of company, and also and I see the I cannot remember the company, but I see they work business, and they have also business with the restaurant, like cafeteria, and this kind of.
Mm.
Uh,
But they are all situated in Dhaka, right? The clients of the
yeah,
ranks of
yeah,
the
they all situated in Dhaka, and the problem is they did not go to the outside for IoT. They need to maintenance, or if anything happen or anything problem,
hmm.
there is a maintenance, or we have that company have developer, they go and fix it. If
Oh,
it outside on Dhaka, it's need to go outside Dhaka. It's really costly and time consuming.
yeah. It's everything, but
And
yeah.
if I give you an example, I think outside of Dhaka, most of the owners or cannot use smart home, like don't want as a auto AC
Mm-hmm.
automation AC
Yeah.
for if no user inside in room, the AC will be off,
Yeah.
or outside when like controlling the home, smart home
Yeah.
like this. And there is PDLC. Do you know about PDLC? Like a
P-
class
PLC.
when you click
PLC.
PDLC,
PDLC. No, no. PDLC. I don't know.
like if you attached in glass and crystal glass, if you switch that, it will be blurred.
Oh.
Okay.
I don't. I don't. I
Okay.
didn't had any idea.
Yeah, it's costly and large. Uh, so many post people use
They
this.
use this.
Okay. And they also work on a hospital, is Khaza doc. Do you know about it's Enayatpur Khaza Yunus Ali Hospital?
No, I actually don't know about it.
It's located on Enayatpur. They also work with that hospital. Actually, they have some brothers. One brother, I see. His role is CO. He's studied on China.
Oh, okay, okay.
They see the Chinese invention and try to
Bring
solve
it here.
this or implement this in our country.
Mm-hmm. So they are bringing the Chinese technology into Bangladesh. They are just providing the services to other companies, it is a B2B companies that they need these services. I get it. I get it. Okay, that's actually is there any software company located into Pabna or near that? Did you find any?
No, I did not search Pabna. I think actually, how can I say? I see the LinkedIn. So if any company give a post, then I can say what the location this company.
No.
Okay.
But the most of the companies are in Dhaka, right?
Yes, most of the companies Dhaka.
I, s-
Some,
I see some companies on the Rajshahi right now. Rajshahi
yeah,
AP5 is on Silet, but they are also coming to Dhaka. But most of 98% or 99% companies are situated on Dhaka. That's actually frustrated me because so in software most of the time people are working on the remotely right now. So why not Papna or Mymensingh can build software companies, and then we could work on my hometown. We didn't have to go to Dhaka.
I think it also reduce their cost, because in Dhaka city there are lots of cost.
Yeah.
If they go outside to Dhaka, I think uh, your their rent or anything cost
Mm,
will be
reduced.
decreased or reduced.
Yeah, so then why they don't come? But I don't understand because there is not enough talent out there like in Papna or in Mymensingh. If one software company built up, they start their company, will not they get enough manpower, or will not they get client, or they cannot operate from there? What is the problem actually? Why not Mymensingh or Papna is not building people on so any software company out there? What do you think?
I think the connection or there are lots of problem. I think because electricity is on the one problem. If the sky is cloud,
Yeah,
the electricity will be gone. But in
but
Dhaka,
still in by but yeah, I stayed in Mohakali, but still there is also load shedding go through. But and the companies like my Spartak, they use their own UPS system, so always there is one. So it can be also grow in Pabna and Mymensingh. If the electricity the companies can use the UPS or IPS system just, then electricity is not that issue. I don't think. What else can be there?
yeah, most of the our country's software development work with the international kind or work for outside,
Yeah,
and I don't know uh, why they only work in Dhaka, or their office is only Dhaka.
there.
Maybe it is the capital, that's why.
What the capital, this also brings up the cost, right? You said that there is a cost. So the building and the renting cost, if you compare the renting cost of Dhaka to Mymensingh, it is a huge difference. Even this the manpower cost is low in Mymensingh or Patna like city, the small cities like this. So the cost will be reduced. So why there is a one question with can be that there is not enough manpower, but still there is in Mymensingh we I have there is also other developers who are hometown is Mymensingh or Patna, they can also work there. So I don't know what is the problem is causing why there is no software. That's actually
think um, from Dhaka to Gazipur, yeah, more company can make their office in or rent their office in also Gazipur.
yeah.
Gazipur is also cost is low
Yeah.
in Gazipur.
Yeah, but
Yeah,
everyone is going to Gazipur right now, don't you think? The all the all the textile companies or any industrial companies, everyone is going to
yeah.
Gazipur.
They're moving the Gazipur only is textile or industrial like this, but the tech company they don't want to go that side.
But Mymensingh is just if you just pass the Gazipur, then the comes the Mymensingh, Trisha.
Yeah.
But there is no company. What the that is I don't think I don't understand what is the problem or what is actually going on. But there should be more companies or software companies like that. Then we can we could work like you can go to stay in your Patna hometown from home. You can work that. And if even then if someone offer me 30,000 taka job monthly in Mymensingh, I will be more than happy to work from because I don't have any cost. I stay on my home. That is our this is building is ours, so I don't have to pay for the rent. I can eat from my home. My mother can prepare me the cook, so I don't have any headache on preparing. So my cost will be lowest, and 30,000 taka will be enough for me to complete. But if I go to Dhaka, 10,000 taka is not enough even to stay there. Can if I want to stay there with and I have some good food or everything. So that's huge. Okay, Jubair bhai, I think I have 5 minutes left. Time is over. I thought the time was actually I feel it the time was very short today because even today. What do you think? So what do you think of the second session?
If you want to extend the time,
No, I don't know. So I want to continue for 1 hour. There's the promise. I don't want to extend it. We can continue if you like. You can join tomorrow. But what do you think?
yeah, I told you I will join every day if you arrange the meeting. Okay.
I will try. I will try my best. I will try best.
Or if I face any problem or if I
Okay. So
busy with
so
another things, I will know you or
uh,
I'll know
yeah.
you that I will not attend today.
Yeah, so you can join anytime within the time frame. So, what do you think? Do you have any suggestion what I can do to bring up more people because people are actually not joining and I have to promote this? What do you think? How can we promote or what can we do extra so that people can more join?
Okay. Do you have any Discord or Discord channel?
Uh,
There is public.
I can do this, but I don't want to. I know that there can be voice channel, but then there will be more people will be coming. They will be sending messages. I have to check them. Everything. I don't want that.
No, no, no. I don't want to continue the Discord channel. I just want to tell you, know that people's
Oh,
about this session in Discord or any public
oh,
group, Discord
okay.
public group.
Oh, no, that's a good idea. There are some English practice channel I think in the Discord. I can post it there. Yeah, yeah. That's a good idea. That's a good idea actually. I will try that. I will try that. Okay, Jubair bhai. 3 minutes left. I will end this. Thank you for joining. What do you think? How the sessions are going right now, and what do you think? If you can add something in the last minute, you can go on.
And yeah, this session is good. And I am not a good speaker or
No, you are
good
improving.
English speaker.
You are improving.
I
I
joined
improving.
for improve my speaking, and I think if regularly I join this session,
Mhm.
and it will be help me.
Yeah.
And not only us, if anyone join this session,
Yeah.
he will be benefited.
Yeah. Yeah, actually you are improving. I think the yesterday you were stuck, you were getting stuck in some words, but today when you talked about the Premier League and university life,
Yeah, goal.
yeah, so the goal, there is a sound going on right now. Okay, I will not take your time. I think I am wasting your time. You want to show the game. Okay,
Oh
goodbye,
my
Jubair bhai.
goodness, Brazil,
Brazil,
Brazil getting.
Brazil did a goal. Okay, I have to see the game. I have to go. Okay, Jubair bhai, goodbye, goodbye. I will not
Okay,
waste
okay.
your.
Japan is now leading. So okay,
Okay, okay, okay, Jubair bhai, thank you. Goodbye,
okay, okay. See
goodbye.
you
See you.
tomorrow. Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.